Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how to filter data in Google Sheet. So friend, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a step-by-step process to do that. So friend, let's get started. Here we are going to open Google Chrome, and friend, here you can see I have one sample student details, and here we are going to add filters. Okay, so what you will do, first you select all the headings, okay, from top, and then what you will do, simply click on this menu which is data, okay, and then you select create a filter. Okay, so now you can see that this is 3 lines filter are available on the headings. Okay, if here I want to sorting this data by ascending and descending, okay, how we can do that, let's see. So simply click on this 3 line, and here you can sort by A to Z or Z to A. Okay, so here first we are going to click A to Z. Okay, so friend, here you can see that this data is sorted by A to Z format, and if we want to sorting by Z to A, then you will see by this way. Okay, so friend, by this way you can easily sorting data in your Google Sheet. Also you can sorting by A to Z name or Z to A name. Okay, so for example, here we want to add sorting by A to Z. So friend, here you can see that these data are sorting as per A to Z format. Okay, so this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can add filter in your Google Sheet. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in the next video. Stay tuned.